Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Super Sentai Kakuranger. Or here in America, which was freaking funny as all heck now that you feel about it when you get a lot older, which you could catch it on Netflix, was Mighty Morphin Alien Rangers. Mighty Morphin Alien Rangers was a 10 episode long complete season. Yeah, 10 episodes was called a season of Mighty Morphin Alien Rangers. Pretty much, it's when the Rangers were still. It was weird. You had these aliens come from another planet who could not survive on Earth without water, which, I mean, that should have been another one drawback for them. I mean, no one, I guess they figured, well, most of Earth is covered in water, while their whole entire planet was made up of water. Okay? So they got to use, like, the Ninja Zords and stuff. But, yeah, it was weird. Like, they can only go, like, 10 minutes here on Earth without water. They had to always have water. Bottles of water and stuff. Or they had to jump into a lake. Or go swimming in a pool or something. It's like, we gotta go take a bath or a shower. It's like, how can we trust superheroes that every 10 minutes they need some water to drink or pour on them? It's like, that's not really superpower. That's actually a super lame power. Okay, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's bad when the original Rangers, they kind of lost their powers. They got shrunken down to kids. Yet they couldn't morph into their full size, so they had to give up their power coins to these new lame alien, can't survive on Earth, need 10 minutes of water all the time. Rangers, substitute Rangers. Yeah, it was weird. Which doesn't make sense because if we know Justin from Power Rangers Turbo, remember, he was a little kid. He pulled out his morpher and he morphed into an adult-sized Ranger. Because you actually saw it where it showed him as a little kid and his body getting bigger into like an adult-sized length of body, But he was still a child. How come these Rangers could not do that? Same exact thing as Justin did. The brute Power Rangers Turbo Ranger. Does not make any freaking sense that they had called for help to another planet, and this planet cannot even survive on Earth without water for 10 freaking minutes. And then the whole series was that called Mighty Morphin Ninja Rangers? No, they couldn't do that. It was Mighty Morphin Alien Rangers, which they didn't do any real alien stuff. I mean, Power Rangers in space at least made more sense than Mighty Morphin Alien Rangers, which were ninjas. Yeah, they're alien ninjas. Why not just call it Mighty Morphin Alien Ninja Rangers? That would make sense. Would have been the exact truth. Aliens plus ninjas, alien ninja rangers. Yeah. No. And to only have one for only 10 episodes and call that a season? That's a BS. Now this right here is a true Japanese one. Of Super Sentai. Ninja Sentai Kakuranger. So Kakurangers, the complete series. Not a complete season, but the whole complete series right here. Picked it up at Myers for $40. Kind of pricey. But when you're thinking you're getting more than 10 episodes in here, yeah. And it has like the complete original thing. So you don't see that. You also see like some bonus extra characters in here that never made it to the American one. Like I think a little car that was in here. Another person thing. It was kind of weird. Now it is made by the shoutfactory.com, which let me get this little plastic off of here so it's not too blurry on camera, so you can actually see it a little bit better. Okay, and yeah, now it wants to be a little. Yes. Okay, hopefully that... Actually, no, that is... Wait. So yeah, shoutfactory.com. I'll put a link down below in the description there. So it is made by Saban and Bandai. Just says DVD Region 1. So if you're wondering, it's Region 1. So this DVD should work with a wider DVD player. If not, I would suggest if you have a PS4, they're usually more Region 1 and 2, so kind of a Region 3 player. If not, I'm not really sure about Xbox or putting it on your computer. But I'm just going to watch this on my PS4 because I know PlayStation, they're really good about foreign DVDs and stuff. So yeah, the whole entire running time of this is 16 hours and 6 minutes. So it says 16.6 hours of Super Sentai Kakuranger. Yeah. So it says not rated, fantasy violence, and mild language. It has English subtitles in here, so do be aware of it. You're not going to hear like, hey, Jason, or hey, Tommy, let's give our powers to these aliens. No, it's going to be like, oh, Kuko ga Shikan Nadori. I have no idea what I just said and if that even made any sense. But you get what I'm saying. It's going to be completely in Japanese language, and you're going to have to read, English subtitles. But you are going to get more of the tour experience of the Ninja Rangers. I mean, if you open this up, look at all the DVDs that we get here. I mean, this is a freaking load of DVDs. Well, it says this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 DVDs, which is the whole season of Kakuranger. And something I didn't notice on this side, which I'm going to remove that one for now, is right here, it tells you how many episodes is on each disc, so it looks like only 6 episodes per disc, or a little bit less. So it looks like between 6 and 5 episodes per disc. And what's cool is it actually tells you the name of the episodes in English. We Are Ninja is, number 1, and then if I remove this 10th disc back here, which, to be honest with you, the 10th disc is a bit of the trickiest disc to get off of here. This one was a lot more easier. All the way to disc 10, the final episode, which is Sealing. So when they use their Sealing Ninjutsu powers. But I mean, yeah, for $40, like I said, kind of pricey, and it is in, Japanese with English subtitles, so, there is that to consider, but you are definitely getting the complete series, not a season, but a complete series, which makes a lot more sense, because, you go check it out here on, well, you can't really check out the episodes here on YouTube, but, on Netflix, go onto Netflix and type in, Power Rangers, and you see what it says, like, all the Power Rangers, and then you click on where it says, Mighty Morphin Alien Rangers, and you see that there's only 10 episodes, which is a complete 10 episodes. Now, if you go on to, like, the other Power Rangers, like MMPR, the other Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, you see a couple episodes for a couple seasons is missing, and even, I think, like, season 3 is missing, so you have 1 and 2, 4, 5, 6. It's like weird. Like, why would season 3 be missing? And then it goes like episode 1, like season 1, episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, and so on and so forth. And like, what happened to 6, 7, 8? So some of the episodes is missing, and some of the seasons are missing. So if you want to get the complete Power things, you have to go and buy the complete seasons, either the English one or the Super Sentai one. But I just was like, hey, this is a pretty good deal. I wanted to mine, so I was like, whoa, they have Super Sentai, the complete season of, Kakuranger here. I was like $40. I'm like, yeah, that's kind of high. But then I was like, well, online for like Amazon and stuff, that's about the price that you're gonna be paying. Plus a little bit more for shipping. Then you have to wait for them to ship in stuff. I'm like, I'm getting it a little bit cheaper because I'm not paying for shipping. And it's right here that I can watch it right now. Which I don't have to wait 2 weeks or something for them to send in the mail and stuff. So yeah. Now I haven't checked out the Shout Factory website, so I might give that a try and see what other series they have. Hopefully by now they got some more series in there of the Super Sentai. I know they usually deal with like the older series, like MMPR, Jew Ranger, Zoo Ranger, Jakuranger, Bioman, things like that. Like as we can see right here, Kakuranger, Car Ranger, Go Go 5 and stuff like that. So hopefully you got a little bit more of the newer stuff. Still be older stuff. So it's not going to be like, the super new stuff, but, newer than these series. But yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Super Sentai Ninja Sentai Kakuranger, the complete series. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.